This video explains how to take a basic polar dial with its parallel hour lines and adding what is called dial furniture. That is, beyond the necessary hour lines, it is anything decorative or informative. In this case, it is east-west lines to highlight the two solstices and the two equinoxes, as well as the annual path through the zodiac. To follow these lines, a notice is added to the center of the gnomon. In this case, it is a curved notch, and its shadow embraces those lines on the dial. Those lines reflect the changing north-south altitude of the sun through the year. That is called angle of declination. The sun's angle also changes through the day in the east-west direction. That is called the angle of arc. Plotting the combination of those daily and annual angle values, the notice will follow hyperbolic lines across the face of the dial, except at the two equinoxes when it will be a straight line. Here we see how the shadow of the notice would follow the line of the equinox on that day. Knowing the two sun angle values, we could plot points through the year and then graphically link those points with a hyperbolic line, or we could plot them mathematically. This is a tedious job, having personally done it many years ago. Now, an easy way to do this is to visit the shadowspro.com website. François Bletteron has developed this excellent site and software for sundials. Simple dials, including the zodiac lines, can be laid out in his freeware version. As the polar dial is universal and it is tilted for latitude, the one set of lines will again work for any latitude. Dial furniture can vary. It could simply be the line of the solstices and the equinoxes, the months of the year, or to highlight an important day of the year, such as an anniversary. Adding a compass, a town name, the latitude, or the equation of time are other examples of dial furniture. In this example, it is a line at the transition day between each sign of the zodiac. The equinoxes and solstices are coincident with these transition dates. For example, between Virgo and Libra is the autumnal equinox on September 22nd or 23rd. It varies a little from year to year. The signs of the zodiac reflect the changes we observe in the night sky as the Earth rotates around the sun. Each of the 12 signs corresponds to a 30-degree segment of longitude along that path. Starting at the summer solstice, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, autumnal equinox, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, winter solstice, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, vernal equinox, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and back to the summer solstice. And thanks for joining me on this introduction to dial furniture.